These two indicators will deliver your first 5-figure or 6-figure paycheck. They are so powerful that they can predict market movements. Up to 98% market accuracy. When it comes to scalping, having an indicator that can filter through trades is very key. So guys, I'm going to show you how to set up these indicators, give you entry rules for the trades, and how to set up your stop loss and take profit levels. So let's get right into it. But before we do so, don't forget to subscribe because it helps out our team to continue producing free content for you guys. So we fire up our trading platforms. Then we load our first indicator, which we call overflow. By the way, you can download all the indicators for free in the link in the description. So this is how our indicator looks like after firing it up. These red blocks indicate sell zones and the blue zones indicate buy zones. Guys, these indicators are so easy to use and easy to understand. Now let's load our second indicator, which we call the power trend indicator. This is how the power trend indicator looks like on the charts. It has a few elements which I'm going to take you through in just a second. The first element is the blue zone. This simply indicates oversold area, and the orange zone indicates overbought area. Then we have the pink arrows. This simply indicates buy signals, and lastly we have the white arrows. This simply indicates sell signals. Now the next step is to load both indicators on a single chart. Guys, this is how our charts will look like after loading both the indicators. Now that all the indicators are fully loaded, the key question is, how do we trade, or how do we find trades using these indicators? I can promise you guys, it's going to be very easy, very simple and effective. Alright guys, for us to take a buy trade, 5 conditions have to be met. The first condition is the power trade indicator must have drawn a blue zone, which is an oversold area. Then the second condition is the overflow indicator must have drawn a blue zone in an overbought zone of the power trade indicator. The third condition is we wait for a power trend indicator to print for us a pink arrow which indicates a buy signal. The fourth condition is we wait for prices to close above the T line, which is the 8 exponential moving average. It should be noted that the candle that closes above the T line should be relatively small, such that it gives us a good risk reward level. The fifth condition is we wait for a candlestick confirmation signal. This could be in form of a morning star signal, bullish engulfing, or any candlestick buy signal. Now, if all these conditions have been met, we simply place our buy trade right here, and then our stop loss below the low, and we target a 1 to 2 as our take profit level. Guys, this strategy is so simple to understand and execute over and over. Now, let's look at a sell trade. For us to take a sell trade, 4 conditions have to be met. The trend power indicator must have drawn an orange zone. Then the second condition is the overflow indicator must have printed a red zone in an orange zone of the power trend indicator. Third condition is we wait for the power trend indicator to print for us a white arrow. Then the fourth condition is we wait for prices to close below the T line. The last condition is we wait for a confirmation signal. Guys, when all these criteria have been met, we simply place our entry right here, our stop loss above the high, and we target a 1 to 3 as our take profit ratio. So guys, go ahead to backtest this strategy, front test this strategy. I can guarantee you it will change the way you trade. As always, invest safe.